How to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. So first is you have to go to your Google Maps here. The first thing that you want to do is to find a location that you want to pin. So let's say we want to pin this location here. Just have to long press that location, specific location, and this will come out, such as direction, start, save, and share. So I want you to tap on save there and put it to your favorite or want to go or travel plans. Now if it's not in the list, you can actually create a list. So let's say, and then tap on create here. Now to be able to pin another location is, let's say you want to pin it here. So what you want to do next is just long press again and tap on save and put it on the tutorial purposes and then tap on done, and then do the same process over and over again. So basically you have actually pinned a lot of locations already. If it doesn't work, you can go to App Store and search for Google Maps there. And if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And now if it's updated, you can now go back and do the same process again. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.